questions are there. Find the range of the following functions, or find maximum or minimum. Range means maxima or minima. Find maximum and minimum of the following functions, or find the range of the following functions. Y equal to sin inverse x into cos inverse x, sin inverse x whole square plus cos inverse x whole square, whole cubed. Next sin inverse x minus cos inverse x whole square. Next 2 pi sin inverse x plus cos inverse x whole square. So let us consider the first question. Y equal to sin inverse x into cos inverse x. So y is equal to sin inverse x into cos inverse x means it is pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. Basic formula, you look at the board, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. So it follows that cos inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. So instead of cos inverse x, we wrote pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. So let us simplify it. Pi by 2 into sin inverse x minus sin inverse x into sin inverse x. Sin inverse x whole square. Already I said in basic formulae, sin inverse x whole square, it is not at all equals to sin to the power of minus 2x, just like that, remember. Okay, so that implies now I am trying to express this in terms of perfect squares. So for which minus common, then it is sin inverse x whole square. Next minus, it is sin inverse x, means 2 into, it can be written as sin inverse x into pi divided by 4. Now you verify minus into minus plus 2 into pi by 4 means pi by 2 sin inverse x. Verified. Next later we are adding plus pi by 4 whole square. No, it is not adding. Already one minus is in front of a bracket is there. So minus means minus into plus, minus means, that's why we have to add plus pi by 4 whole square. So therefore y equal to minus, it should be a square minus 2a, this is b, 2ab plus b square, means a minus b whole square. A minus b, a minus b whole square, plus it is pi square by 16. So therefore y equals to pi square by 16 minus sin inverse x minus pi by 4 whole square. So this is simplified given function. Now sin inverse x. Actually we know that sin inverse x lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 for all x belongs to closed interval of minus 1 comma plus 1. Okay. First we are getting this function sin inverse of x, later we are subtracting pi by 4, later squaring on both sides, later taking minus pi square by 16, like that. So for finding the range or maxima, minima, it is one method, but another one special method is there. What is that? we are finding y maximum value. Y maximum is equal to once again I will write y value. Y is equal to pi square by 16 minus sin inverse x minus pi by 4 whole square. So when do we get maximum for y? So y maximum is equal to if this value is equal to 0, means sin inverse x minus pi by 4, that is equal to 0, then y will be maximized. So what does it mean? That is sin inverse x equal to pi by 4, then x equal to sin of pi by 4, that implies x equal to 1 by root 2. So therefore within bracket y will attains maximum if x equal to 1 by root 2. So therefore y maximum is equal to pi square by 16 minus it will be 0 whole square, that is equal to pi square by 16. Therefore maximum of y equal to pi square by 16. Okay, next, now we are going to find the minimum value. Here y will attains minimum if this sin inverse of x equal to minus pi by 2, means minimum. Actually this is minimum of sin inverse x, it will be maximum of sin inverse x. So therefore y minimum is equal to it is pi square by 16 minus sin inverse of x, means it is minus pi by 2 minus pi by 4 whole square. So that is equal to pi square by 16 minus this is 2, means minus 3 pi by 4 whole square. So that is equal to pi square by 16 minus it is 9 pi square by 16. So that is equal minus 8 pi square by 16. So this is the minimum value of y. So therefore range is closed interval of minimum. Minimum means it is minus 8 2s, we can cancel like that, minus pi square by 2 comma what is maximum? Pi square by 16, pi square by 16. Okay, next second one, you come here, number 2. The given function is y equal to sin inverse x whole square plus cos inverse x whole square. So that is equal to, let it be small a equal to sin inverse x and small b equal to cos inverse x. Let it be like that. Is it visible? Next, so it is in the form of a square plus b square. A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So that is equal to a plus b. A sin inverse x, b cos inverse x. So therefore it is sin inverse x plus cos inverse x whole square minus 2a sin inverse x into cos inverse x. So therefore y equal to, it is pi by 2 whole square minus 2 sin inverse x into cos inverse x. So therefore y equal to, it is pi square by 4 minus 2 into sin inverse x into cos inverse x. But in the first question we have the result, the range is minus pi square by 2 comma pi square by 16 for first question sin inverse x into cos inverse x. So that's what I am using this result. But minus pi square by 2 less than or equal to sin inverse x into cos inverse x less than or equal to pi square by 16. So just you multiply gradually, we are obtaining this function by using this condition. So first into 2, so that implies minus pi square by 2 into 2 less than or equal to 2 sin inverse x into cos inverse x less than or equal to 2 into pi square by 16. So that implies 2 cancel, it remains minus pi square less than or equal to 2 sin inverse x into cos inverse x less than or equal to, it is pi square by 8. Later multiply with minus, so that implies plus pi square greater than or equal to minus 2 sin inverse x into cos inverse x greater than or equal to minus pi square by 8. Next adding pi square by 4 on both sides, so pi square already is there, plus pi square by 4 is greater than or equal to pi square by 4 minus 2 sin inverse x into cos inverse x is greater than or equal to, adding pi square by 4 minus pi square by 8. So that implies 5 pi square by 4 is greater than or equal to pi square by 4 minus 2 means this y. So this is y. Y is greater than or equal to 2 pi square minus pi square by 8. So that implies it is pi square by 8 is less than or equal to y less than or equal to 5 pi square by 4. So therefore you come here, its range. So for the first question, range is closed interval of minus pi square by 2 comma pi square by 16. Next for the second problem, pi square by 8. For this closed interval of pi square by 8 comma 5 pi square by 4. So this is the second problem. Now third question is you come here. Number 3, y equal to sin inverse x whole cubed plus cos inverse x whole cubed. Already I said let a equal to sin inverse x and b equal to cos inverse x. So therefore y equal to a cubed plus b cubed. So y equal to, it can be a plus b whole cubed minus 3ab into a plus b. So y equal to a plus b whole cubed. A plus b means sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. It is nothing but pi by 2 whole cubed minus 3 into, it is sin inverse x into cos inverse x into a plus b. A plus b means it is pi by 2. That implies y equal to, it is pi cubed by 8 minus 3 into sin inverse x into cos inverse x into pi by 2 means it is 3 pi by 2. So this is the given y. Okay, next what I said in the first solution, you see there the range of the first function sin inverse x into cos inverse x, but sin inverse x into cos inverse x lies between minus pi square by 2 less than or equal to pi square by 16. Pi square by 16. So that implies gradually we are going to obtain this function. So for which we have to multiply first 3 pi by 2. So therefore minus pi square by 2 already is there into 3 pi by 2 less than or equal to 3 pi by 2 into sin inverse x into cos inverse x less than or equal to pi square by 16 into 3 pi by 2. So that is imply minus 3 pi cubed by 4 less than or equal to 3 pi by 2 into, this will be read as sin inverse x into cos inverse x. So sin inverse x into cos inverse x less than or equal to 3 pi cubed divided by 32. Next we have to get minus. So multiply with minus. This is 3 pi cubed by 4. It is greater than or equal to minus 3 pi by 2 into sin inverse x into cos inverse x greater than or equal to minus 3 pi cubed by 32. Next plus pi cubed by 8. Next, so 3 pi cubed by 4 plus pi cubed by 8, pi cubed by 8 is greater than or equal to pi cubed by 8 minus 3 pi by 2 into sin inverse x into cos inverse x greater than or equal to, you come here, greater than or equal to plus pi cubed by 8 minus already 3 pi cubed by 32 is there. So that is imply on simplification into 2 means 7 pi cubed by 8 is greater than or equals to, this will be y is greater than or equals to into 4 means pi cubed, it is pi cubed by 32, pi cubed by 32. So therefore for this question pi cubed, y that is belongs to closed interval of pi cubed by 32 comma 7 pi cubed by 8. Of course it is the range. 1 minute. You come here. So for question number 3, what is the range? Closed interval of pi cubed by 32, pi cubed by 32 comma 7 pi cubed by 8, 7 pi cubed by 8. This is for third question. Later we deal the fourth question. Next, fourth question, y equal to sin inverse x whole square minus cos inverse x whole square. So actually it is in the form of a square minus b square. So what will be the formula? A square minus b square So that is equal to, it is a plus b into a minus b. So that is equal to a plus b. A plus b means sin inverse x plus cos inverse x into a minus b sin inverse x minus cos inverse x. So therefore y equal to, it will be pi by 2 into sin inverse x minus cos inverse x. So that is equal to pi by 2 into sin inverse x minus, this cos inverse x can be pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. Already I said this formula, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Thus this only cos inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. So that is equal to, it is pi by 2 into sin inverse x minus pi by 2 minus into minus plus sin inverse x. So that is equal to pi by 2 into 2 sin inverse x minus, it is pi by 2. So that is equal to, on multiplication it is pi into sin inverse x minus pi square by 4. This is the given function. But sin inverse x lies between, means range minus pi by 2, closed interval of minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Later multiply with pi. So similarly, in the same sense we are getting this function on multiplying with pi and subtracting by pi square by 4, just like that. So first into pi. So this is minus pi by 2 into pi less than or equal to pi into sin inverse x less than or equal to pi into pi by 2. So that implies minus pi square by 2 less than or equal to pi into sin inverse of x less than or equal to, it is pi square by 2. Next subtract with pi square by 4. So therefore minus pi square by 2 already is there. Later subtract pi square by 4 throughout the equation. It is less than or equal to pi sin inverse x minus pi square by 4 minus pi square by 4 less than or equal to pi square by 2 minus pi square by 4. So therefore that implies into 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 pi square by 4 minus 3 pi square by 4 less than or equal to, it is nothing but pi sin inverse x minus pi square by 4, it is y less than or equal to, it's a simplification, into 2 means pi square by 4, it is pi square by 4. So therefore range of this function is equal to closed interval of minus 3 pi square by 4 comma pi square by 4. Next question. Next, fifth question. Of course, first question and fifth question and third question is important. Here, fifth question. Y equal to 2 pi sin inverse x plus cos inverse whole square, cos inverse x whole square. So y equal to, it is 2 pi into sine inverse x plus, it will be in terms of sine inverse pi by 2 minus sine inverse x whole square. Later we are applying a minus b whole square formula. So therefore y equal to 2 pi into sine inverse x plus a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. So therefore y equal to 2 pi sine inverse x plus pi square by 4 in plus sine inverse x whole square minus 2 cancel. It is pi sine inverse x. So that implies y equal to this one, first square sine inverse x whole square. Okay, next 2 pi sine inverse x minus pi sine inverse x. It means only 1 pi sine inverse x plus pi square by 4. Later we are trying to express this value in perfect square. So therefore it will be sine inverse x whole square plus it will be 2 sine inverse x into pi by 2. It can be written as 2 into sine inverse x into pi by 2. Okay, 2 cancel, it remains the same. Later it will be pi by 2 whole square. So that implies y equal to, it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So therefore it is a plus b whole square. A plus b value is pi by 2 whole square. So therefore now the given function is in the simplest form, sine inverse x plus pi by 2 whole square. Now we know that minus pi by 2 is less than or equal to sine inverse x is less than or equal to plus pi by 2. Now gradually we are obtaining sine inverse x plus pi by 2 whole square. So for which first we add pi by 2 on both sides. So pi by 2 means it is 0 less than or equal to sine inverse x plus pi by 2 less than or equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 2, it is pi. It is pi. Next squaring on both sides. It is 0 less than or equal to sine inverse x plus pi by 2 whole square is less than or equal to pi square. So therefore for this function the range is closed interval of 0 comma pi square. So therefore you come here. So for fourth question the range is this is the fourth question. The range is, where is that? Minus 3 pi square by 4 for this, minus 3 pi square by 4 comma pi square by 4, Next for this question closed interval of 0 comma pi square. So therefore out of these 5, first this is the basic for all questions. Next it will be important. Next this one is also important.